Hello, everyone. I'm Stan, CRO at SessionStack, and today I'll be really happy to talk about the current state of digital experience analytics, especially for e-commerce, and also talk what are the typical limitations that make digital experience not working uh, in this year. So, first, let's have a look at what typical e-commerce managers and CRO agencies do, or what are the set of things that they use in order to analyze the experience of the visitors. So, one of the things they use is a combination of Google Analytics and Session Replay. So for those of you who don't know, Session Replay is basically the ability to record every user interaction. So everything that your visitors do on your online store is being recorded in full detail. So this includes every mouse movement, every click, every scroll, every text input. And the whole thing is then available in the form of a video. So what is a typical problem with this technology? Despite collecting all of the data, human beings are not able to evaluate even a small chunk of the recorded sessions. So imagine if you have 100,000 visitors per month, you end up having 100,000 recorded sessions in full length. So watching even a small chunk of those sessions becomes impossible, which means that the vast majority of the insights remains hidden and missed. One of the other things that e-commerce managers do is they look at the conversion funnel. You know, Google Analytics and other tools will give you exact figures of what are the exact drop-offs at every stage of the funnel. But the things that you don't see there is what are the true reasons for those drop-offs. So in other words, I know that 80% of my e-commerce visitors are dropping off at the last step of the funnel, but I can only guess what are the main reasons for that. And even if I find one UX glitch that stops some of them, I'm really not sure how significant that issue is. So that's problematic as well. Some of the other things agencies do, they use A/B tests to figure out what is a better version for the look and feel of my e-commerce. Or in other words, a better version, of course, means what converts better and what performs better. The problem with the A/B tests are very often that agencies don't really have the time to have the personalized approach and to find meaningful A/B testing hypotheses that are personalized for the respective e-commerce. What they do instead, they use some working hypotheses from the past or from other sites, hoping that they will bring the same results as they have done in the past. So the question here is, what can be done in 2024 so that this process of digital experience analytics becomes more meaningful and brings better results? Or in other words, how do you stay on top of everything that happens on your website? We think that, sorry about that. We think that AI can be a very meaningful way to improve this process because, as I said, human beings are not able to to evaluate billions of events that are happening on the website. But with the AI, you can obviously achieve a huge improvement here. So for instance, you can find the missed conversion opportunities along the entire customer journey. As I said, once you have all of the data collected, you are let alone with the question, what is the best way to do in order to extract the meaningful insights that really make sense for me from a conversion rate optimization perspective. AI can also find some UX glitches that are preventing your visitors from buying. You can also use AI to decode some of the hidden messages of your users in order to, for instance, fuel your R&D pipelines. So the best thing about the whole thing that I spoke about is that this is not just a conceptual idea. It actually already exists in reality. So if I may introduce you SessionStack AI, that's our solution that combines the classic session replay technology that collects everything your users do on the website with AI and machine learning that basically act as your AI-driven business analyst, really analyzing and extracting all of the data and all of the blueprints your users do on the website and giving you those valuable, actionable insights. One of our current customers is the Bulgarian e-commerce company called Coco Solis. They're maybe not an e-commerce first company, but their e-commerce is extremely successful. And we were really fortunate to contribute to their success with many different things, like pinpointing the exact reasons for why people don't buy from their store, what can be done in order to mitigate those problems, and so on. And I'll be really happy to share more about how we help Coco Solis and also talk about other applications of AI in digital experience with you. So you're welcome to stop by on our booth. And yeah, thank you very much for your attention.